How to use Bumble Dating App? Well, to use Bumble, you can download the app from your Play Store or App Store. You can see the app right now on your screen, Bumble Dating App. Well, once you have installed, you can create your profile, opening it up with photos and prompts. Now, once you have created your profile, signing up is pretty easy and simple. If you want detailed video on signing up as well, you can comment down below. I'll make sure to make a video on it. Now, I'll tap on continue here and ask app not to track, and that's my number, so not now. Now here, this is the main front page or home page of Bumble. Here, like Tinder as well, if you swipe to the right, it means you like them. So if they like you back, you'll be matched. If you swipe to the left, it means that you do not like them and that you have not liked. Now if you want, here you can see if the profiles have been verified. You can see you'll get this little photo verified option to see who is legit or who hasn't verified. Similarly, now you can build your profile. To build your profile, head over to build the profile option at the bottom left corner here, and you can see complete profile option, tap on it, and now here you can proceed to complete your profile. You can add in photos and videos, up to 6 photos videos. You can see best photo feature, you can enable it. If you have not verified, you can tap on verify my profile, and now you can proceed to verify. Your face must be clearly visible, there must be enough lighting, and you must be copying this pose exactly whatever it says. So say take my photo option and you can proceed to verify it. I'm not verifying this now. Similarly, you can add in your interest and other details, bio, about you, and various prompts you can fill in them so that you can attract more people into liking your profile. If you head into liked you option, you'll be able to see who has liked you here, and if you head into people, this is where you'll find the home page. Similarly, if you head into chats, you'll be able to chat with people who you have matched with. You can see my older chats here, so you can see this way is how you can use Bumble Dating App. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.